Midrand City. I'm from Midrand.
Everyone here who made a big impact, okay? An impact, that's how you know the players that are at your or online. I'd just like to have a special mention to some of our sponsors and partners. We have Falskun South Africa, sponsor athletics, our Olympic team, okay? So Falskun have chosen us, okay, to say, guys, we believe in you guys, etc. So that's big. That means that they see potential in our coaches, our analysts. So already we'll say thank you. Another partner that we'd like to say thank you to is Mini Cooper. So you will have seen this big banner. So let's start with the older guys. First name we have older bachelor, the young brother.
Oh, first on the list, bro. First on the list. Yeah, first on the list. Being on there.
Bro, I love the print slots.
Yeah.
You're doing the coach education.
I'm good to go.
So, yeah, actually, no, but you'll have 10 minutes. Yeah. No. 10 minutes, okay. He will take over for 20 minutes. 10 minutes prepared something for 20 minutes. Then you will help me. You'll help me. 5 minutes you can be behind. He's not concerned about who's the best on the day. He already has proven himself.
Yeah, mate. Well, friends, I don't find them now.
A team in the heart of the city. Smart guy. Well done, Mr. Brad. I think Midrand City is going to be a success, man. Especially just on the idea of getting specialists, you know, like people who are interested in training, getting them involved. People who are interested in coaching, getting them involved. People who are interested in doing workshops, getting them involved to come into the workshops. And to have already like sponsors here on your first event. Well done, broski. Very nice venue. It's good. Very nice. Got the park. Got it. Alright, sure, it's me. What are we doing, a selfie?
Yeah, I don't know.
Sure, I'm getting an award, fam. Not sure what it is, but yeah.
Yeah? The photo
It's
video?
a video.
Video.
Just like...
Yeah.
Hello, fam. What is up? I don't know if I need the mic, do I? Loud enough, clear enough? Like 1, 2.
Yeah, Mike.
Alright, so my name is Tevin Bliffnote. I am a sports professional, that's what I call myself. And I'll give an example. I think I want to start with a story here. Last week I was at the Engine Cup. Who knows what the Engine Cup is? What I found was, yes, fantastic levels of football, but not a lot of them have like marketing elements about who they are. So you go to the field, everybody's talented, fam. The centre back is as good as the centre back in Sundowns, Pirates, they're all on the same level. Right? The striker from Sundowns is as good as the striker in Randburg. They are all on the same level. Everyone is talented. So my message to you today, if there is a message, is that you got to figure out how to stand out from the talent.
Who's your favorite team?
Oh, okay, all right. I don't know if you can get a card for that one, but sure. My favorite team is Arsenal. Arsenal supporter too. Yeah. Nice question. Well done on breaking the ice. Yeah. How do you get Mini Cooper to sponsor you? You got to figure out what's in your hand. If I know that I'm on social media, I have X amount of followers. I know that when I post something, I get X amount of views. I can build some sort of value card and go to Mini Cooper and be like, this is what I have. Can you give me a car? My personal take on that is the support structure of the athlete. As the athlete gets older, the less support they get. It's like they get to 16, 17 and the parents are like, good luck. Or we gave you advice and took you to training. Now that you're 16, you got to do it on your own. That just doesn't make sense to me. To the parents or to the cousins or to the brothers, you're the protege or the person that you are supporting. might only break through at 25 or 26. So abandoning them by the time they are 16, 17 doesn't make sense. Because they still have that potential. If they were at 16 and everyone is talking about them as the next great thing, they can still be the next great thing at 24, at 25. But they will always need support. You need a support structure. You need a bunch of people around you who can give you good information from a financial perspective, who can hook you up with some pretty cool people, who can take you to where you need to be, help you meet the people that you need to meet. You need a support structure. You cannot survive without it. Does that deserve a card?
Yep.
All right, and then
So
Yeah, 7.5 Ariana.